It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to you all. Providing service to customers can be challenging, especially when it comes to collaborating with multiple people and different contracting companies to make the customer service effective. Often, we experience under or overutilization of service technicians, manual tracking of field engineers, and to provide valuable service to the customers quickly and promptly. While facing these challenges, we are losing time, money, and credibility. Wouldn't it be perfect to have one solution for all these problems, while getting all the work done and still have the time to relax? That would be perfect, isn't it? Introducing InnoMaint, a perfect solution to improve your maintenance service business in a better and smarter way. InnoMaint will help to digitally manage your customer service requests, customer information, customers' equipment details, along with preventive maintenance, smarter and faster collaboration with all the members, which results in effective management of the service technician team. You will be able to access and manage all the needs of your customer and plan your upcoming activities right from your chair. Our amazing features like handling service requests on our mobile application, GPS tracking of engineer location, geo-navigation of customer location, solution bank for equipment problems, various performance analysis reports and smart notification will make your life easier. Want to know more? Get in touch with our team. Register your copy of InnoMaint. Transform your business digitally and enhance your customer service.